And on today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can make $1 over and over again for creating 15-second videos. And the good thing about this is that it can be done from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection and a smartphone. Also, if you want to learn how to create a real income, passive income, creating a real business, then click that link in the description below to get my #1 recommendation. And if you're new to the channel, I welcome you to go and hit subscribe. Hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any more of my videos, because I'm making a lot more content to make you guys a lot more money. Now, roll the intro. So today I'm going to be showing you an app called Vigo Video. Vigo Video, where you create funny short videos, 15-second long, and you can get paid for doing so. So what exactly is Vigo Video? So if we come here, by the way, this can be done from anywhere in the world. As long as you've got a phone and can download the app, then you can take part in this and make money, and you can get paid directly to your PayPal account. And the minimum to withdraw is $1. So, Vigo Video is a short video social network where you can share your daily lives with your friends, family, and other users from all over the world. Capture and create your own funny short videos with our special effects camera and tons of cute stickers. Discover and meet fun users with similar interests while sharing your life moments. Showcase your talent in 15 seconds with users from all over the world, whether it's in dance, cooking, beauty, art, comedy, music, pets, and more. So when you create these 15-second videos, you can literally create them around anything. So, Vigo Video, 15 seconds to fame. Show off your creativity in 15 seconds. Turn your life moments into cool and artistic videos using our fast and simple editing tools. So, create cute stickers and special effects. A variety of animated stickers and special effects you can add to your videos. Create your unique look effortless with just one touch and never get boring. So, flawless look. Discover. You can meet new people with shared interests. Now, with these 15-second videos, if they get attention and you get flames, you turn these flames into cash, PayPal cash, which you can withdraw the minimum of only $1. So the more attention your video gets, the more flames you get and the more money you can make. And you can essentially cash out every single day. Every single day. I'm actually liking this app. So as you can see, they've had over 408,000 downloads and an average star rating of 4. So if we actually just scroll down a little bit, average star rating of 4.3 stars. So it's really, really popular. And if you read the reviews, they're actually really good. So very good app, but chatting options is not available. Pay account amount not help me please. His English isn't very good, but I love this app. So there's a lot of people that absolutely love this app, and you can do this from anywhere in the world. Anywhere. So as long as you've got your phone, can create awesome funny videos or videos on anything that you want. Just be creative, use your imagination, and the more stars you get, well, the more attention you get, the more flames you get, essentially the more money you get. Now, I'm actually shocked that this app is not a lot bigger than what it actually is. Anyway, this isn't going to make you a full-time income, so please don't forget that. This isn't going to be enough to leave your job. This is just a great way to make extra cash from creating simple videos. But if you want to learn how to create a real income, real business, passive income from the comfort of your own home, then don't forget to click that link in the description below to get my #1 recommendation, and I will send you all the info on that straight away. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.